Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie from Michigan Condo Voices. It all started with something that didn't seem that unusual. In a community in Riverview, Florida, there were notices about dry grass, a mailbox that needed attention, and a vehicle that didn't align with association rules. According to the homeowner, the grass condition was influenced by drought and the shade of a large tree. At first, it was a situation many co-owners might recognize, a notice, followed by the expectation to make corrections. But over time, the situation didn't resolve, and instead, it escalated. The association's management company moved forward with legal action. The matter went to court, and eventually, a judge issued an order. The issues needed to be addressed within 30 days, or there could be serious consequences. In response, steps were taken. The vehicle in question was reportedly sold. Efforts were made to address the yard. But sometime after that, something changed. There was a hearing scheduled, and according to the homeowner, she was not aware of it. Because when that hearing was missed, the situation escalated again. On May 23rd, 2025, during a traffic stop, she was arrested for failing to appear. And what began as a property related dispute had now become something much more serious. She was literally taken into custody and remained in jail for about a week, describing the experience later as overwhelming and saying she felt treated like a criminal. After her release, the situation wasn't quite over. Reports indicated that there were still legal and financial consequences, including the possibility of foreclosure due to accumulated legal costs. Situations like this can feel difficult to fully process because they don't always follow a path people expect. What begins as a notice can move into legal action, and over time can become something much more complex. This isn't about drawing conclusions, but it does highlight something important: how processes unfold, how communication is received, and how quickly things can escalate when steps aren't aligned or clearly understood. And for co-owners, it's a reminder of how important it is to stay informed, to understand procedures, and to remain aware of how these processes can develop over time. If you're looking to stay informed, you're always welcome to follow along here on Michigan Condo Voices. Take care, everyone, and thanks for listening.